So now we're going to replace the windshield wiper motor and assembly. First thing you got to do is you got to take off these windshield wipers. You have to get a little screwdriver, pop that little cover off, and then you take that little bolt off. So I'm going to take that one off and that one off. Alright, I took those little bolts out, and now you just got to wrestle with this a little bit. I'll get something to pry that off a little bit, but then you just pop those things right off. Be right back. Alright, I wrestled those windshield wipers off. The funny thing is that the windshield wipers at the wrecking lot were easier to get off than these, but they're off. Now I'm going to take off that little plastic covering right there so I can take off this one, and that'll give me access to the motor assembly. And here's the motor assembly from the wrecking yard. So there's the motor and the assembly, and then I got an extra pair of windshield wipers. All that for 50 bucks. Alright, so I got that little cover up right now. You don't have to take it all the way off. You just have to get it so it doesn't overlay on this one. So now I can get to this one. You take out 2 clips. There's a clip right there. I think there's another one like right in here somewhere. You just pop those off with a little flathead screwdriver, and then this whole assembly will pop off. The little cover will pop right off. Alright, I popped that little cover off, like I said. And then there's the assembly in there, and there's the motor right there. I think that's exactly like the one I got. I hope it is. That would be awkward if it wasn't. Anyway, should just be plug and play. There's a bolt there. There's a bolt behind there, somewhere in there. And then there's 2 bolts over here. Plug and play. And there's, you're just gonna unplug this little guy right here. With any luck, we will have functioning windshield wipers soon. Alright, pretty easy. I took out the 4 bolts and popped that thing right out. But I want to show you why the windshield wipers were not working. So I think the motor is bad anyway, but the passenger side wasn't working because this is the old one. This bar is snapped in half. And here's the one from the junkyard. But the odd thing is that they look a little different. It's out of the same car, but it looks like this might have been a replacement because this, look how cheap it looks. This one that I pulled out of the wrecking yard at least has the Ford logo on it. Hopefully it works. Okay, I got the new one back in there, but I didn't bolt it down because first I wanted to hook it up to the power there and turn it on and see if it works. So it appears to be working, that one and that one. So looks like we made a good purchase. Time to put it back together. All right, Autumn has windshield wipers again.